Russian freighter ran aground near Oresund, Denmark. General cargo ship Alexander Tvardovskiy with cargo of wood ran aground just north of Oresund, at around 0950 at Jan 20, being en route from Riga Latvia to Goole UK. According to track, the ship was disabled, presumably after engine failure, at 0930 at, being south of Tunnel. She was refloated at around 1200 at, probably by own means, and brought to anchor at Copenhagen outer anchorage, for survey. No damage is reported so far. General cargo ship Alexander Tvardovskiy, IMO 9,057,290, DWT 3,180, built 1996, flag Cook Islands, manager Northwestern Shipping Co., S-Petersburg.